Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Cárdenas. I was born in Bogota City. I am 26 years old. I am a businesswoman and I work independent. I like playing the guitar, reading, writing. I like to play basketball and watching movies. I live with my husband. I am happily married. And I don't have children. Okay. This is my visit to Santa Monica, Choachí, the hot spring. Okay. Recommendable break. Stage 1. My last weekend was amazing. I went to the hot spring of Santa Monica in Choachí. It was a very nice adventure because I traveled by motorcycle. The road was very cold, but I was bored it because the place was lovely. The trip was relaxing and healthy. I was with my husband. We were 2 days there. We didn't spend a lot of money, only 150,000. I recommend this place for you to visit. Okay, stage 2. The weather in Choachí. It was quite coldly and rainy. During the trip it was very cold, but the afternoon was sunny. Tips 1, tips 2, tips 3. We go to tip 1. It is important that you wear your bathing suit. Tip 2. Tip 2. It's recommendable to wear comfortable clothes. Tip 3. It's preferable to take thermal baths at night. Tip 4. It's important to bring enough money. Tip 5. It's recommendable a good camera. Tip 6. It's important that you like the coat. Tip 7. It's better to go by car than by motorcycle. Tip 8. Good idea to go around all the beautiful place of Choachí. What you should do? People should go to hot springs. Frequently, Santa Monica is a perfect place. You should enjoy the hotel for a couple of days no more. There are other interesting activities to do in Choachí. You should do the Turkish bath. It's great. What you should do? You should not bring pets, although there is pet daycare. You should not leave without first going toward the town and its surroundings. Walking the mountains is another fantastic plan. People should know people should know to travel by motorcycle to that place. It is quite cold, although it is very fun. This is my recommendable for today, all everyone. Thank you. See you later.